What's up, guys? My shoe was starting to rip, so I just coated it with shoe goo. Let's see how this holds up. So the shoe goo held up really well. Actually, it didn't wear down too bad. It still looks about the same. I got a little bit of wear right here, but I didn't wear through that shoe goo at all. And it didn't mess up my flick, you know? At first, I felt like it was a little bit more grippy than the actual suede of the shoe, but over time I got used to it, and I got some pretty clean flip tricks in these shoes at the skate park today, so I think shoe goo works really well. So yeah, shoe goo works great for fixing shoes or just coating the side of the shoes so that they don't get torn up in the future. You know, you can fix your sole with it. You can just coat the suede. So yeah, I would suggest getting shoe goo. It's been something that skateboarders have used as long as I've been alive. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. So it's probably been 10 years since I put this shoe goo on there, but whenever I did, I coated it really well. These are DVS, Day One Song shoes. I know he skates for Adidas now. He doesn't skate for DVS, but is DVS still a company? I'm not even sure if it still exists.